Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
Hey, Mike Foster here. How you doing today? Live in the moment right here. Plan for the future. But remember, the past is the past. Now, remember the past. Learn from your past. Have nostalgic feelings about some things from your past. We've all made mistakes in our past. And we've all had great successes in our past. But the focus of today's video is that's all in the past. And to dwell on them or to relive those memories by thinking that, well, if I only could do that like I used to be, well, doesn't do you any good. The past is the past. Again, don't totally forget about the past, because the past is important. The past is your life. And even the successes in your past, close your eyes and visualize them and say, hey, maybe I can do this again. But don't just live on your past success like the high school quarterback that now is unemployed and obese and miserable, but he cracks open a beer and says, yeah, remember 35 years ago when I was the quarterback? Well, I wouldn't dwell on that. Same thing if you had a really bad situation and made some big mistakes, or hey, I've been divorced a couple times. I'm not proud of some of the things I've done in the past. But again, learn from them, but then move on. The past is the past. Don't dwell on the past. Don't focus on the past. You got to focus on the moment, the here and now. And I have several videos about that. You can check them out. And you can plan on the future. Maybe even dream a little about a better future, but you got to live in the moment to work toward that. And remember, the past is the past. So, and why is that important? Well, you want to be a successful person and have a good life, right? That's one of the ways it's going to happen for you. So think about that one. Take a walk, enjoy life. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365. Subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same name. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
This is the path, not the past. That's the path. Path. That's a noisy thing. Is this thing on? Oh, God. I think it was.